Hi, I'm Sujit Vandari. When I was in my first formal programming class in my undergrad college about conditionals, my tutor told us to write a program to find if a year is a leap year or not. I wrote it this way. Sorry, this way. So, when I think about leap year, what comes to my mind is just divide it by 4. If it's divisible by 4, then it's a leap year. It's true. Then, if it is not divisible by 4, then it's false. It isn't a leap year. And I tested it in 2012. Oh, 2012 is a leap year. So far, so good. 2014. Okay, 2014 is not a leap year. So far, so good. But then there isn't only one condition for a leap year. So I have to check for 100 if the year is divisible by 100. If the year is divisible by 100, then it's false. Okay, that isn't a leap year. But if it is divisible by 400, then it is a leap year. So let's go further and test it for 3000. Okay, I know 3000 is a web future. Let's test it. Oh, what is it? 3000. I know 3000 is not a leap year, but my program says so. Yeah, what's the mistake? Where's the mistake? Where's the mistake? Oh, so why did this fail? I investigated a little, and what I found is that, like many other programs, like any other programs, the Python code gets implemented step by step from top to the bottom. Okay, let's see how this works in case of if else statement. Okay, I've used the concept of mole in the hole. You know many variations of this game. I played this in my dad's black and white mobile device. I kind of love that. Okay, here it goes. Suppose there are holes in your garden. For this example, I am taking 4 holes, and you are pretty sure that there is a mole. There is only one mole in any of these holes. Either this one, this one, this one, or this one. Okay. Now, to find out which hole has the mole, what you do is you go to the garden, check the first hole. Oh, no mole. Go onto the second hole and see if there's mole. No luck this time to go on to the third one and oh, you found the mole. Then when you have found the mole, you needn't go to the fourth hole to check if there's mole or not. Check it again. You check the first hole, no luck. Check the second one, found the mole. And you don't go to the third and fourth hole to check the mole again. So this is the concept. So let's see it. So I have written a simple program to find the mole position. To this mole position will generate a random variable, and using this definition, it will check if the mole position is 1, 2, 3, or 4, and print the custom message accordingly. Okay. So you see, the mole is in the finally found. The mole is in the fourth hole. Okay. I will uncomment this so that you can see what mole position is in a. Okay, mole position is equal to 4. Finally found, the mole is in the fourth hole. Then so far so good. You can pass another. So I want to pass the number beyond this range and to pass on 5. If I pass mole position is equal to 5, it will say you have no mole in your garden, maybe it has run away. So okay, I want to see if I have more than one statement satisfying the same condition. Okay, I wrote the statement down there and I deliberately pass on the value 1. Okay, let's see. And I will change this message to haha so that we can find which statements get executed. Oh, no, look, I cleared this, execute this. As expected, it compares the mole position with the value, it gets it, it prints the custom message, and it jumps up from here. It doesn't execute the statement, though it is also correct, but it doesn't execute this statement and goes down. So basically this is the idea behind if else concept. So due to this, what my leaf year program does is if it's 3000 leap year, then it checks if it is divisible by 4, then it's return true. It doesn't go to check for this 100 or 400. Okay, now you can change this to 400 and 4, then check. Now it works fine. So you should be careful in taking the right order of if elif statement. Check on the paper order head before you code. Obviously you can check on the code too, and note that it is not that every if needs elif statement. There could be no or as many as you like elif statements, and else statement to this else statement is not a compulsion, but it is recommended to throw an error, or like in this program this else statement is not necessary, but you can, if you get in some error, this can help you debug the error. And a final note, this structure of if elif else statement is used to catch one and only mole. You may need to construct a little differently in case you need to catch 2 moles, 4 moles, or a finite number, or any infinite numbers. Maybe you have infinite numbers of mole. There is too much to go for this. Happy coding everybody. Watch out for the mole in your garden. Goodbye.